Welcome to Repticon. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Reptile Dysfunction. My name is Jameson with Gehagen Laboratories. I'm joined today with Dalton and Christina from Yellowfoot Fanatics, and we are vending today at Repticon Tampa Bay. It's Sunday, so it's the last day of Repticon, so we're going to walk around, talk to a few of the vendors, see what's to be seen here today, animal-wise and product-wise. Check us out. We're here with Thunder Bay Herps. I am holding a beautiful Gidgee skink, also known as, the scientific name is Agurnia stokesi. Yeah. I'm here with Ray Gerge. He breeds some amazing blue tongue skinks. Probably has the craziest skink diversity I've ever seen in my life. This is Cindy right here. He also does plants. Definitely check him out on Facebook. Or at any of the shows. You do all the shows, right?
You get to it on I-4.
Yeah,
Florida.
So Central Florida shows. This guy is the guy to get skinks from. The northern blue tongue skinks are from northern Australia. Just to hold this animal is a dream come true. These are so rare. I've only ever seen these besides here with Ray in books, honestly.
Yep.
But yeah, this is.
Look at that belly, though.
Yeah, the belly is amazing.
Look at the color, the way it fades and changes from light yellow
like fire.
to light. It's just a mix, and it's amazing. And it got slight striping in between as it gets bigger.
In the interstitial, yeah.
They're going to be connected.
That is so cool. You are a beauty. Well, thank you so much, Ray. I really appreciate it. This has been great. I'm here with Tikis Geckos. This is David and Manny. They produce some amazing crested geckos, gargoyle geckos. You guys are doing leeches now.
Leeches, chahuas, skinks, everything.
Yeah, these guys down in South Florida, right? Yep. That's where my neck of the woods. That's where I came from. Yeah, how long you guys been doing this for?
So, man, I've been into reptiles my whole life, like most of us here.
Yeah.
But breeding crested geckos and like all this kind of started like about like 8 years ago or so.
Nice. That's awesome.
But as a business, like really took it seriously like in 2011 or so.
Yeah, that was about when I started to really consider the business side of it. It wasn't just like, I got animals to sell, so I'm gonna sell them.
It's a hobby that turns into like a business.
Exactly, yeah. So what kind of stuff you guys doing this next year? Blue tongues?
Yeah, a lot of blue tongues, mainly northerns, easterns, a few of the Indonesian species.
Nice.
We're also working with a lot of chameleons and obviously like the crested geckos, the gargoyle geckos, chahua. We're gonna have a lot of leeches.
That's awesome. Definitely check out Tikis Geckos. They're on every platform.
Everything.
Yeah, YouTube, Insta. I mean, they always have some very entertaining stuff, beautiful animals, good information. But I really appreciate it, guys.
Anytime, bro.
Yeah, I'll see you guys soon.
Seeing you.
Thank you so much. Hey guys, I'm here with Chris at Cserpents and Hotbox Incubators. He is the only caging company I use for racks as well as incubators. Best product on the market. Would you like to describe a little bit of what you do?
We do a little bit of everything. Small racks, large racks, caging. We have your incubator needs. We have quite a few incubators out on the market. We have them in different zoos throughout the country. We have them in Phoenix Zoo, Nashville, Gatorland, which recently hatched out some knob crop eggs. So we're a little bit of everything everywhere. Some of the best service out there, best quality. Stop on by and see us.
Yeah, I definitely feel like a Hotbox incubator or Cserpents rack is like a status symbol in this industry now.
Started off in my garage 8 years ago and just worked my way from the bottom up. Keep a good customer service, quality, fast turnaround times, probably the fastest turnaround time in the industry, about 10 business days. Show pickup, not a problem. We just do the best we can, man. We're here for you.
Definitely my favorite product as far as caging goes, and incubation, for sure.
Remember, Cserpents rack systems and Hotbox incubators.
Thank you so much, Chris. You,
got it, Rob.
have
Thank
a good
you,
one. I'm here with Adam from the Articulate Reptile. He has actually made me 2 articulated skeletons, one of an Abronia graminia and the other one of a carpet python, big adult female. He does some amazing work articulating animal skeletons. Tell us a little bit about your how you do it.
Well, I use different reassembly methods, but primarily what I do is when I get the animal, I have to dissect it out a certain degree, but I use dermestid beetles, like the taxidermists and the universities use. They're remarkably efficient, very friendly, no chemical use or anything like that. So basically, they just turn it into fertilizer, and I have a very large colony that I keep indoors, and they handle all the skeletonization.
That's awesome.
And then after that, it's just about cleaning, reassembling how I imagine it to be or how the client wants it, and making a nature scene if necessary.
I tell you what, you were like a clockmaker in another life. Your attention to detail is amazing.
Well, it's a hobby that you only can do by learn by doing. There's the social media communities are a good resource for learning, but there's no manual on really how to do this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So a lot of trial and error.
Oh yeah. Is this a Cuban nightingale skeleton right here?
This is a Cuban false chameleon.
Okay, it's a chameleon.
I think is that the it's not an equestrian.
Euro right there. You're
It is. That is
awesome. Bearded dragon on the bottom.
Bearded dragon, veiled chameleon, fire skink, giant waxy tree frog.
The style Medusa bicolor. Well, Adam, thank you so much for showing us your trade. I always am interested in what you're doing. I'm definitely going to be hitting you up in the future.
No worries, man. I appreciate you giving me the opportunity to work on some great animals.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. They're all over my house now. I'm here with Anna and Chanel. They just picked up some. Did you guys get these guys today? Or?
Yes.
Nice. What brought you guys to Repticon?
Well, I wanted to go with a couple friends, and I encouraged my family to come because I love reptiles.
It's always good.
I don't
always
like
gotta
the
get the
little
family.
fluffy things.
Yeah,
I like
I'm the
scaly
same way.
Yeah.
Mammal smell.
Yeah, exactly.
I love reptiles and amphibians, like frogs are my favorite animals. So I was thinking, I'm going to see a bunch of them today, so why not go?
Nice. Good thinking.
So it was my idea.
Nice. Well, what kind of ball python is that?
I've got a spider morph here. Got a discount, so that was pretty nice. Since it's my first snake. Yeah, he's pretty nice size actually. We've got like this huge 40-gallon tank that we're taking home.
Perfect for him.
So.
Well, that's great.
I have a generic ball python.
Those are the best.
Since he's cold, it's kind of cutting it up in my arm.
Yeah, getting your body heat from you? How long you guys been here for today?
This year.
Since
It's like noon.
Oh wow, almost got me beat. Been here since
I
like
haven't
10.
sat down.
We've got to hold everything.
Yeah, oh yeah, you got to. Definitely got to hold whatever you can. Well guys, thank you so much for talking with us, and definitely check out our channel and everything. Yeah, it's good to see new people here and everything. Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
What is it?
It's Kit Kat.
Kit Kat? Say it into the camera for him.
My YouTube channel is Kit Kat, so subscribe to that. And here's my snake.
Yeah, we'll plug it.
Well,
He's kind of scared.
Yeah.
So here's the snake. He's a boop noodle.
A boob noodle.
Alright, bye.
Alright guys, today I've never actually introduced Kay. She's kind of always behind the camera or on the computer. So this is Kay Kennedy. She is my social media coordinator, event coordinator. I just pretty much breed the animals and she just helps me figure out how to be an adult with them. That's about it. But yeah, Kay's an amazing photographer. Definitely check her out. What's your website?
It's kfkennedy.com, so it's literally my name.
Blammo.
Yep, it's in the works though. I'm still rebuilding it for.
She does
social
weddings,
media.
a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
You ever need
many
your business
hats,
plugged?
actually.
She'll do it. Social media is great. I'm an awful social media person. She has turned it around for me.
But yeah, it's been awesome. I've been working with Jameson for like the last year now.
It's been good.
And he's not only like a client, but he's like my brother. So I love doing this stuff. And now I have my own gecko.
Yep, she's got a leopard gecko.
Yep, I have a leopard gecko, and I think I'm gonna get another one today.
Yep.
So even better. But he's really got me into it. I'm really happy. So. But,
I incepted it.
Thanks for finally introducing me.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you.
All right, guys, that about sums it up for today. Repticon's coming to a close. We'll be back in November for the next show. Definitely mash that like button and subscribe. We're gonna have all sorts of new stuff coming out in the next couple weeks. And anybody that's interested in some of the wonderful vendors we spoke to today, all of their websites, Instagram, social media, everything is gonna be down below in the description. So, signing off for today. You guys have a good rest of your day.
Joint on the corner where the big boys play.